Prototypes of weapons to defeat drones. It is supposed to be used on an interceptor drone to block target rotors from a short distance. This projectile is a capsule containing metal pellets. The pellets are connected to the capsule with Kevlar threads. The propellant charge pushes the capsule out of the barrel. Fraction of the propellant gases enter the internal chambers of the capsule. The pressure pushes the balls into the guide grooves. The accelerating capsule increases the scattering of the weights. I found the speed of net deployment insufficient, and made another version of the weapon. The gun fires threads to entangle the target. During the experiments, the following parameters were determined. Configuration of weights on the rope. Barrel design. Required rope strength and length. Igniter reliability. Projectile designed to prevent ricochet. Rope placement method in the container. Expelling charge energy. More information at spider-shot.com. List of my projects at lamont.me.